Alright, so I heard you having a little misfire situation. I got you. It could be a few different reasons, and I hope it's one of the easy ones. So a common problem with misfires is usually either your spark plugs or your coil packs. Now, really, they're super easy to install. It shouldn't be too hard. I mean, probably the hardest thing you should do is maybe take off a manifold and move it out the way, but really that's really it. You can change them out and see misfire's gone, bro. Now, another thing that can cause a misfire is a clogged fuel injector. That just depends on the job or the type of engine it is. If it's a DI engine or if it's not a DI engine, which is direct injection. Some DI engines are easy, some are not to change out the fuel injectors. Now, there's many other reasons why your car could be misfiring as well. But yeah, you have a blessed one.